My balance on this app is 27,240 naira, as you can see over here, right? 27,240 naira, and I'm about to show you step by step how you can also make at least 20,000 naira every single day, right? All you have to do is to stay to the end of this video so you do not miss any single step. So let's go, guys. So what's up, beautiful people? It's Leo here again. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So do well to join this beautiful family by clicking that subscribe button, right? Yes, I'm talking to you. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, but after clicking the subscribe button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What this bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome content just like this one you're watching. Right now, to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you always coming back to this channel each time you get notified of a new video, and I do not take you for granted. Now I'm going to take us through how you can be able to earn at least 20,000 naira every single day using this particular platform. Right now I'm going to take us step by step. The first step I'm going to take us through is the registration aspect of this platform, right? The second step is to show you how you can be able to earn using this platform, the things you can be able to do in order to earn using this platform, and the third step is to show you how you can be able to withdraw your earning, and that is the most important aspect. Just like I always say, one thing is making money online and another thing is being able to withdraw your earnings online. Now the last thing I'm going to show us or take us through is to let you know my honest opinion concerning this platform. If it is something you can be able to do, if it is something worth doing or worth investing your money, you will get to know towards the end of this video. Right now, but before getting straight to this video, I want you to do something for me. Use 3 seconds of your time. Yes, just 3 seconds of your time to click the like button of this video. Yes, go ahead and click the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you're about to get into this video. It won't take you extra time. Just go ahead and click the like button to show appreciation. Now, with all this being said, let's jump straight into the video. These are the requirements in order to get registered with this platform. The first thing you need to do is to type in your phone number over here, right? Now, after typing your phone number here, the next thing you have to do is to type in your password. Do it to use a particular password that you can be able to remember, a password that you can easily remember, right? Because this platform, you do not have the aspect of confirming your password in order to make sure you remember your password. So the next thing you have to do is to type in your recommendation code over here, and after that, the next thing you have to do is to click over here that said register, and you are done with the registration. Now once you are done with the registration, this is the interface you are going to see. Right now, when you look over here, you will see deposit, right? You will see withdrawal, you will see share friends, team, app. That's if you want to download the app. Then this one is information, where if you want to know or get to know about this platform. Right now, the next thing you have to do is to invest in this platform in order to earn at least 20,000 naira every single day. Now, before you can be able to invest, you have to choose a particular investment plan. Then where or how do you choose a particular investment plan? You have to click over here which says invest. All right, so once you click on the invest, you are going to see various investment plans. When you look over here, you will see that if you can be able to deposit the sum of 2,000 naira, right, every single day you will be getting the sum of 500 naira every single day for 28 days. If you're able to deposit at least the sum of 5,000 naira over here every single day, you are going to be earning 1,300 naira. Now if you proceed to deposit the sum of 8,000 naira over here, you are going to be getting the sum of 2,080 naira every single day, and that is how the investment plan is. So when you scroll down, you will see other plans or other amounts you can be able to invest, right? Then when you look over here, if you can be able to deposit the sum of 350,000 naira every single day, you'll be getting the sum of 91,000 naira for a period of 28 days. I think this is the last or the maximum investment plan they have over here, which is here. If you can be able to deposit the sum of 1 million naira every single day, you are going to be getting the sum of 260,000 naira for the period of 28 days. Now you just have to stay tuned because I've already invested in this platform, so you can be able to see how much I've earned so far, and then to know if it's something you can be able to do and cash out big time for yourself. Let's go, guys. So let's say you've chose a particular investment plan and you invested. You've seen how much you are going to be earning every single day. Now I've already invested, so I'm going to proceed with withdrawal. All right, so I'm going to do a live withdrawal for the amount you have seen on my dashboard, which is over here, 27,240 naira, right? So to withdraw, you have to click over here which says withdrawal. Okay, so you have to click on withdrawal. Then inside this box you have to type how much you want to withdraw. So I'm going to type 27,040 naira. Okay, so once I'm done typing the amount I want to withdraw, I'll go ahead to click on withdraw. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, they're going to give you some information to fill. The first place here, you have to enter your bank name. All right, then enter your account number, and the last thing you have to do is to enter your account name, then click on submit, and you are done. All right, so I'm going to fill in this and then click on submit and see what the next step will be like. Stay with me, guys. If you have gotten to this extent, I want you to do something. Click the like button of this video. Yes, go ahead and click the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. Do not forget to stay to the end of this video, so I'm going to share my honest review or opinion concerning this platform. All right, so let's go, guys. If you are yet to join this beautiful family, go ahead and smash the subscription button. Yes, go ahead right now and smash the subscription button. Let's go, guys. So over here I'm going to type in the name of my bank, which is UBA, right? So I'm going to type in my account details. All right, I'm done filling in my details, so I'm going to proceed to click on submit over here. All right, so click on submit and see what we're going to see. Okay, it says withdrawal request sent successfully over here, as you can see. Now this is the first withdrawal I've done in this platform, which is 6,214 naira over here, and this here is the one I just withdrew now. Right now I requested for this withdrawal of 6,240 naira as at 17th of June. That is when I requested for withdrawal of 6,240 naira. Now this leads to my honest opinion concerning this platform. Now ever since 17th of June, which I requested for this withdrawal of 6,240 naira, up until today that I'm making this video, which is 30th of June, I've never received any single money in my bank. Okay, I've never received any single money in my bank account, and here I have 27,040 naira withdrawal request again. And guys, I'm just telling you, I'm just being sincere, you are not going to make any money using this platform. All right, reason why I'm making this video is to kind of inform people that this platform is not paying any single thing. All right, you might have seen videos concerning this platform and how much it has been paying people. I'm just making this video to tell you it's a very big lie. Do not fall for this scam. You are not going to earn any single money using this platform. All right, it's very scam. Now the owner of this platform knows that this is a scam and is no longer paying. Let's say it has been paying before, but now as I'm talking to you, it's no longer paid. It has never paid me ever since I tried it. All right, I've seen this video and I decided to try it out to see if truly this platform is paying. I'm going to bring it over to my channel to let you know if it's paying or not. The reason why I'm making this is to let you people to create awareness that this particular platform do not pay any single amount of money. So if you are nurturing or not in the interest of investing in this particular, or you must have seen a video showing that this platform is paying, please, this is an opportunity for you to back out. This is an opportunity for you to not waste your money in this platform because it is not paying. All right, now this is my honest opinion concerning this platform. Now if you want to join our upcoming WhatsApp group where we post updates how you can be able to make money online, like really legit money online, all right, do well to join this beautiful family by smashing the subscription button here, so that whenever we're going to open the WhatsApp group and drop the link in our next coming video, maybe you are going to join. All right, so in order to be getting updates on how you can be able to make real money online. If you have gotten to this point, do well to click the like button of this video to show appreciation of the value you got. All right, and also for YouTube to spread this video so that you can be able to save more people that are here to waste their money in this particular platform. All right, now I wouldn't want this video to be so long, so do it to join this family by smashing the subscription button and also click the like button of this video. That is the most important thing. Go ahead and click the like button of this video. All right, so comrades, until next time, I see you again. Bye.